तक आपने देखा कि किस तरह स्ट्रीट हॉक टास्क में उर्मी और एल्टन एलिमिनेट हुए। बेब्लेड की इम्यूनिटी टास्क में केनिथ और राशि ने इम्यूनिटी जीतकर पटाते रहो सेशन के बाद अमार और तेजस्वी को एलिमिनेट किया। और आखिर के डंपिंग जोन में गैरेट और तस्नीम आउट हुए। अब आगे टास्क 5 जोर लगा के हईशा।
Why?
Because I would vote for these two, but they are with us, so I have to vote for them.
Basically, you are one.
Us? Yeah, Kenneth and Rashid, because Kenneth is pretty strong. That's my only one. He's strong, he's good company. Suraj and Shaina.
Even?
Even they are strong.
Suraj.
Kenneth and Rashid.
3 votes to Canada and Rashi, 1 vote to Suraj. Canada and Rashi. 4.
Suraj.
2. 3. 4. Now it comes to King and Queen. Now. So guys, as I told you all, the day starts only with majority. When there is no majority, we will be just going back to the villa without doing this. And the king and queen remain. You all have 5 minutes. Do whatever you all want. We want a majority. The other room, the people are staying in another room have voted for you all. Suraj and China. And this room people have voted for Kenneth and Rashi. So we have 4 equal votes. Now we want a majority. You all have 5 minutes to decide. If you don't get a majority, we just go back in the
You are ready? Hand over. Whatever it is. If you are ready. Okay, chal. We'll go. Okay. I want a word. I want a word, everybody. I want a word. I want a word, everybody.
Who's going?
That's what is going on in my head.
Stop thinking about that. What do you mean? You go. That is gonna come in some time.
We go. Anyone can go, but then we'll have purity always.
Fine. Cool. Cool. Okay. Chalo.
So, what are the house decided? Suraj and China? Cool. So, you want the new current king and queen to step forward and Suraj and China to step forward. Now, Suraj and China and Jaini and Russia, you all can select one person who can help you in this task. One person. Just select that person and we'll tell them the game. So these are the ones who we are selected. Now guys, what happened? What do you all think? What is going to happen over here?
I'll go for. Maybe I will line. You have to pull that.
Okay. So now, Suraj and Rakshak, you all will be standing there. Our rope will be tied to your shoulders. You will be standing. The girls will be tied to the tree. Will be tied to that thing. The people who are helping, you all both, you all will be standing over here at the finish point. When we tell you all to go, these two, you all to Samyak and Kenneth, you have to run, open the knot, free them. After freeing them, you are already standing in the position. The girls have to sit on the sack bag. Have sit. Now.
They have to sit.
Yeah, they have to sit. Now, as soon as they are comfortable, they sat properly. You have to pull that. You have to pull that till the finishing line. Now I tell you all. Another easy all thing. If the goal, there are two parts, right? One line, two parts. If the goal falls or keeps her legs down, you have to start back. Pick that sack back, keep it there, and again drag it up. If you all fall. Same goes. If you cross the line and come here, the whole sack bag has to cross. Not that Suraj, if you cross the line, the whole sack bag has to cross the line. After you have crossed, if Shaina supposingly falls, then you can start from your own. Any doubts?
So how many times do we do this? Ishan?
There. Once. You'll just have to pull it till here.
That's the finish.
You are tying them there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They'll be
So
tried
our
out
task
there.
is just to open the
Open the knots and free them. Good. Now guys, there is this thing, finishing line. You will have to cross the whole sack bag. The goal. Now, the guys, Kenneth, go here, Samyak, come here. So, now Samyak, whomever you want to make them then, your work, you will have him, talk to him, open the knot, and only then you can start the time.
It's okay. Let them play. अगर तो ऐसे तो हम लोग भी No.
Put that together, open it together, and then the race starts there.
It's your fair. Good job.
Good
Don't
girl.
stop
Good
me.
job. I'm really proud of you.
I'm regretting it now.
Good. Congratulations.
And taken, you should get Liam
You're
Neeson's
sleeping
voice.
with her.
Because I couldn't
What do you mean by sleeping with her?
Yeah, so you cannot tell me yours. Dude, I'm
telling you
personal
something
meeting
now.
चल रही है.
Oh, you will die?
I fucking don't care now. Let them do whatever.
Dude, I'm feeling bad now.
You did a good
Good
job.
morning.
You did a wonderful job.
We were telling her
You're our
good
homies.
morning.
Homies for life. Yeah, I'm serious, man. Good job. I'm proud of you. You took a
Don't do that, you're making me.
You said
I
cry.
don't know, I'm
You
feeling
cry.
even
You
more
said-
bad now because. What do you do then? When you go?
Can't receive him, keep on waiting, without the woman next to me.
Pehli nikal. Open it.
Come on, Rakshak, you can do it!
So blame it on the night. So blame it on me. Blame it on me. Blame it on the night. So blame it on me.
You have to cross the line. You have to cross the line. Cross the line. तू अपना टास्क खत्म कर.
Come, थोड़ा ही. Pull her.
और. थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा come on.
You awesome.
Even after that I helped him, he said you can't help them.
little scared कि ये गिरना चाहे, but she was like, अरे she is so small, I was like, I was falling out. कुछ तो बोल रही है, but it was funny. I said it was funny.
Best, for it's time for you to flaunt your pretty face and win immunity as well as your advantage. Be there at 12:30 p.m. in the garden.
What? Show?
You want me to help you?
Show me. 1 second.
You just have to dress up. Well, that's your immunity task.
But you don't have to do anything. You sit here only.
So eliminated people also.
Give it to me.
I'm not dressing.
Task 6. Walking talking.
She'll be going first, like take her. I'll be pulling up my. Just go and come back. Like vote.
Just now. record.
Oh, nice, Rashi, nice.
You want to comment?
Can you comment?
Babs. Oh, Anushka.
This is not counted for any votes, but we'll have the nominated girls walk as well. Now guys, one by one, we move, you all go there. Write the name of the person whom you all want to give the immunity to. The advantage will be told to them and it will be revealed right now only itself. Go there, write it down, show it in the camera, give your reasons and come back, one by one.
I'm giving my vote to Rucha because she's one of my good friends in the world.
Vote is for Anushka because she's a good friend of mine, and she did very well. So.
I vote Anushka in because she did a good job. I'm sorry about her spelling.
ANUSHKA. What's Anushka?
I'm sorry. But yeah, I vote Anushka because she did a good job.
Show it in the camera.
Yeah, she did a good job. It's actually Anushka, not Anushaka. My bad.
Wait.
But yeah, she did a good job.
I can't vote for my partner, but I think Rashi was the best.
Show your vote. Tell the reason again.
Rashi, she was better than others.
Anushka.
According to me, I wrote her name because
Tell the name.
I wrote Anushka because in a fashion show the most important thing is to smile, and she was smiling. So yeah.
Rashi.
Look on the camera for God's sake.
Rashi. Because she did it well. That's it.
I voted for Rashi. She was better than anyone else.
Just can you wait? He needs to take a photo.
I vote for Rashi because she was the best amongst everybody.
So guys, here are the voting cards what we have. First cue card has the name Rashi 1, Rashi 2, Anushka 1, Rucha 1, Rashi 3, Anushka 2, Rashi 4, Anushka 3. So accordingly we have a winner, that is Rashi and Kenneth. Again the winner of the immunity task. So they have taken the monopoly of immunity. So please come here guys. 5 teams in the villa, right? Playing the game. Let's get it to 4. Rashi and Kenneth, you all have the power to remove one team and swap them with another team who is already eliminated. Remove one, put in one.
Right now.
Right now.
They've not even voted for us.
Getting that. And what about them?
Yeah,
Suraj.
Oh fuck.
It is like someone is pulling me from here and someone is pulling me from here.
I forgot they are also eliminated.
Whom did they support in King and Queen task?
Huh?
Whom did you all support in King and
China
Queen
and
task?
Suraj.
And you all are taking time.
I don't know. I'm fucking. Both of them are.
Garrett is also making faces from there.
What do we do?
But I thought you all know Anushka and Yash also. It's getting tough, huh?
Yeah, so they are not eliminated, so they are chilled out, right?
You'll have 2 minutes.
You decide.
I don't know. Don't put it on me. I really can't decide. Trust me, don't put it on me.
So what will do? We'll toss out. Anybody has a coin? Coin toss.
Okay, wait, just.
What?
just
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You're like on a coin.
Done,
Okay,
done.
fine.
Okay, we're removing Amar and.
But they
You already removed.
So you told us that one of them who has
Yeah,
been
you are putting them in. You can't remove them. You already out.
the ones who are eliminated, you all can
See,
get them
wait a
back
minute.
by removing.
I'll tell you. No. Oh, swap.
Second time for doing it. Even what's wrong? You hated that much.
You can remove the other three.
Wait a sec. First, remove a team.
Three teams which are safe, the ones in the middle.
Okay, if you want to play Ina, Mina, Dika, you all can
No.
do that.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's these three teams, they are in the game. So you all have to remove one of them.
These are friends, yeah.
Yeah, in the middle.
Yellow t-shirt. Because the red one has red.
Hey, they like the color.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow, red, and. So, who do you want to remove? That
Yellow one will run.
Yeah, because the red one has helped me. Yeah.
So they are going according to colors, yellow or red. No, I like blue.
Say that, dude. I'm not saying.
and that's Smith and.
Kenneth, you can remove one and you have to put one. Yeah, one have to say. Who?
Okay, Smith and Rasika.
So we love. Talk
What?
loudly.
Smith and Rasika out.
So they want to remove Smith and Rasika. And now whom you want to put in? Now you have to say Rashi. Kenneth already spoke. Now it's your turn.
Speak. What
I'm
else?
asking you. That's cool, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Garrett.
Okay. So here's the swap already done. We have Garrett and Tasneem back in the game, that is RC Bombay. And we have RC Khalsa and RC Lalas out. Cool.
टास्क 7 बचत बाजार।
If you have a task someone, like you have to ask someone and if you have stuff, and you just have to write and give it, you know, like
Just write something down and give it to me.
one second. We want something that belongs to you, you know, anything. So you just have to write its amount or something and give it to us. Is that okay with you?
What do you mean?
Something a little expensive because it's a little expensive. They can't obviously. Something that extra. You can even lie, you know, like something. At the end, we need the biggest amount. Something more. Yes, go and buy other stuff. Without using it. Just traveling forward.
Where?
Some steam, water, full of water. I need it otherwise. Look at this here.
विधि मुझे तेरा मौके दे दे
मेरे को भी जरूरत है
अरे
That's why I like it.
शो से आए बियॉन्ड द लिमिट करके वो तो हम लोग को टास्क कराए जाते हैं तो उस टास्क के हिसाब से हमें एक पैसा हम लोग को लोगों से मांग सकते हैं, भीख मांग सकते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ ले सकते हैं, पैसे ले सकते हैं किसी से और कुछ भी ले सकते हैं। तो आप हमें कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको काम ही नहीं है वो दे सकते हैं सस्ते में। कुछ भी 10 रुपये में कुछ भी दे सकते हो। अंकल वो तो 10 रुपये का ही आता है तो दो ना मतलब जितना महंगा चीज हम लोग कलेक्ट करेंगे तो हम जीतेंगे। 20 रुपये नहीं जीतेंगे अंकल लोग की अभी दुकान भी आ जाएगी टीवी में, आपकी पब्लिसिटी भी हो जाएगी। हाँ आपका सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। अगर कुछ भी एक अगर टोपी दे दो।
अच्छा वो टोपी दूँ क्या?
हाँ
150 का है
अंकल हमारे पास कुछ भी पैसे नहीं,
हमारे पास 10 रुपये है।
आपको बोल हमारे पास
यही आएगा
मुश्किल से 10 रुपये। हमें
उतने ही पैसे में कुछ चीज़ नहीं लानी, उससे ज़्यादा पैसे में लानी। अंकल यहाँ पे साइन कर
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू अंकल, आपकी दुकान बहुत आगे है।
Can you help us, sir? हम लोग एक टास्क में लगे थे।
We've been recorded, okay?
We have been recorded and
Okay. This is a task we've been got. It's called beg, borrow, steal.
right.
Bachat thingy. We don't have money. Our phones have been taken.
Yeah. And
This
हम
is
लोग को
all community
सब
service.
जमा करना है एंड वही हम लोग
And the one who
जिसके पास
wins
सबसे
it
ज़्यादा गुड्स
gets it.
रहेगा वो मतलब ये सब गुड्स भी जाने वाला है, मतलब हम लोग को संस्था में किसी को देना है एंड वो पैसा आएगा वो भी इससे
All this चप्पल जो लोगों को मिलता है वो छोटा छोटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में हम लोग को any kind of contribution you can do.
50, 100 or
50,
something
100,
please.
anything.
We don't have any cash at all.
We don't have any kind of cash.
Shit यार, किसी से मांगने को ये लोग लगता है।
Can I give you 20 rupees?
चलेगा
चलेगा anything.
Thanks a lot,
Thank you
thanks
so
a
much.
lot. 20 रुपया मिला, तेरे को नहीं देने वाला मैं।
हाँ देखो एक बूटी कौड़ी नहीं है।
हंसते रहे तो सिर्फ।
हाँ तू बस हंसते रहे।
आंटी हमको 5 मिनट हम यहाँ पे अभी मार्केट में निकल आए, हम लोग का एक इवेंट है बियॉन्ड द लिमिट करके।
आंटी एक टीवी शो है
जो टीवी पे आएगा, तो अभी हम लोग का एक टास्क है जिसके अंदर हम लोग को लोगों को चीज़ें भीख मांग के कैसे भी लेनी है और किससे पैसे भी खरीद सकते हैं। तो हम लोग को कई लोगों ने दिया भी है, तो हम लोग को दोगे 10 रुपये में कुछ भी नहीं करेगा।
आंटी कोई एक शादी
कोई ऐसे चप्पल जो कोई लेता ही नहीं है वो भी दे दो।
आंटी देखो अभी आप टीवी पे भी आंटी आप मराठी हो। हाँ काकी मी पण मराठी आहे बघा तुम्ही टीव्हीवर पण यायला मिळेल, तुमचं दुकान पण टीव्हीवर येणार आहे की काहीतरी चांगलं करा, आम्ही जिंकू जर तुम्ही काहीतरी दिला आम्हाला।
रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहा है आंटी, दे दो ना कुछ।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have to get sign. Yeah.
कधी तुमच्याकडे पेपर असेल का खाली पेपर असं
इसके ऊपर नहीं आप आपका ही दे दीजिए. मिला है देख अभी लिख के ले रहा है. हाँ मैं मुंबई हमसे कॉलेज मुंबई वाले हैं. मला इकडे टास्क भेटला और इसके नाम से लिख दीजिए. रुक
आप क्या दिया पर्स में
पाउच
देख दिया हमने कितने का होगा वो 60 आंटी यार का
तो बड़ा चालू है ना.
बहुत शाना है इधर
बहुत शाना है ना.
बहुत शाना है तू
हाइट कम फाइट.
वही
थैंक्स. पेन तेरे पास है.
Stop it, dude. Come on, Asabil, go down. Record that. Did you record that?
This is that 500 rupees which
That uncle gave us for Road Track Club. Lala.
Don't show off bloody.
एक्सपेन्सिव वडापाव दिस इज 40 म्हणजे आपला फ्लेवर नाही का
बना हुआ तो वो भी
We can beg them beg for money and
पेपर दे ऑलरेडी गिव वन बिलाइन
मात्र आणलंय
उनके पास है नो दे वांट
ठेव बॉस थँक यू सो मच
We all know what's happening and we have a task to sell these derivatives like for something more than their cost. So they are 5 rupees derivatives, you know. But I need to really win this. So anything more than 5, like if you just contribute 10 to 10 rupees.
चलो दूसरे उतरते हैं अपना
I'm asking you why did you take the chocolates? You didn't reply.
Tell me that we'll buy something more good.
Arey, but you just can you wait? You just took the chocolates, went down and asking you what are you doing? Wait.
So attempt tell me, I could have returned the dairy milk here.
Let's go back now. Let's go and return
Yeah, and tell him like take this dairy milk back.
4:20 को चालू किया.
अब दे दीजिए ना माल में शूट हो रहा है जितना आप लोग
चलो अभी क्लिप पे लिख दोगे क्या?
आप बिल्कुल इसे साइन कर दोगे क्या तो ये आपको वापस मिल जाएगा. आप एक और ऐसे क्योंकि जब बांधनी ना को तारा वेस्ट पर चलता है
मन नहीं खा रहा मैंने भगवान से जाने
साइन कर दीजिए आपको
वो देखो कैमरा मैन चल 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 चीजें कलेक्ट करनी है
हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें कलेक्ट करनी है हम उसको आपको वापस आके दे देंगे. एक चीज़ होगी तो हम उसका डबल पैसे
उसका उसका अब ये बिल ऐसे आपको एक लिख के देना साइन करके हम आपको 1-1.5 घंटे वापस कर देंगे. कुछ दे सकते हैं कुछ भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या दे सकते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या दे सकते हैं
सिरप दे सकते हैं आपको वापस कर दिया जाएगा इस वेट तक.
ये जो है वो अलग ही है आप जो लिया वो क्या है जॉली का फर्ज
इनका आ रहा है ना इनका अच्छे से लो.
चलो कितने
जॉली फर्ज 200 रुपए का.
हाँ चलो ये दे दीजिए हम आपको वापस कर देंगे.
300 रुपीज
दे दीजिए 300 का है.
पट्टी वाला
आपके आपको 1 घंटे में वापस कर दिया जाएगा. उसके तो डरिए ही मत. हाँ जी एक और जगह तो कैमरे पे आई एम डूइंग इट या ही इज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. आई एम कन्विंस्ड. Am I looking good? Like that's my confusion.
कॉलेज का नाम तेरे सुनने में ही है। ऐसा कॉलेज नामचीन कॉलेज, नामचीन कॉलेज में जाने का तो क्या है, क्या नाम में भी नहीं है।
अंकल थोड़ा जल्दी कर रहे हैं प्लीज।
एक तो अंकल कर रहे ऊपर में भी जगह।
अरे 55 मिनट
टाइम हो गया।
पैसा दो 300 रुपया। पैसा
नहीं दे सकते।
क्या बोलता है? एम्प्टी बॉक्स दूंगा।
अरे अंकल बॉक्स से
ऊर्जा ले सकते हो, ऊर्जा 100 रुपए का दो।
चलेगा चलेगा।
हाँ तो 100 रुपए दो।
अंकल पैसे नहीं दिए, फ्री में ले लो ना।
आपको दुनिया में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा।
अंकल हम लेके आए ना, अभी
क्या वो पागल लोग है, उनको क्या मालूम है देने?
नहीं दे सकते।
ए 50 रुपए घेना।
चल बॉक्स
तू भी एक तो डोकं खातोस.
ये मजा आली नाही कुठला.
हे येतात त्यांना काय त्यांचं काम आहे ते फिरायला आले ते टाइमपास करायला.
अंकल
फिरायला आले ना.
टाइम जा रहा है अंकल, प्लीज अंकल.
पैसा दो ना, पण क्या दो?
वही तो कह रहा हूँ अंकल.
ये लो एम्प्टी बॉक्स लो 10 रुपए.
ठीक है बॉक्स ले
फाइन आएगा फाइन आएगा।
तो मिले
ये संभाल के रखे, आपको रिटर्न है मगर।
अरे 10 रुपीज भी नहीं दे सकते, इससे में 10 रुपीज नहीं है.
अरे अंकल कुछ भी नहीं देना.
ऐसा क्या है, देना नहीं तो मेरे को तो लेना है.
अंकल आप बॉक्स के अलावा दे नहीं सकते ना वैसे, कोई छोटा मोटा.
मनी मनी चाहिए मेरे को, एक ही बात है.
कोई बात नहीं.
कुछ भी चलेगा.
थैंक यू अंकल. आप
54. हाँ चलिए अभी.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. ये कितने थैंक यू. अंकल बोलो, अंकल आप बोलो.
कितना दिया, कितना का?
कितने पेयर्स हो गए? 15 पेयर है. 15 पेयर है. ओके.
शुक्रिया बॉस.
थैंक्स अ लॉट अंकल. You catch this now. I'm running.
You know what I actually give up. Let's go back.
No. Don't give up.
न्यूज में दिखाएगा क्या ऐसा ही मतलब.
Thank you boss.
See, they're getting the kurta. They're getting the kurta. We are getting the kurta.
खाली रेट लिखना
हाँ, रेट लिखना और BTL.
और आपका साइन मार.
BTL and sign. और वो भी पेन किसी ने दिया है हमको. वो भी
हमने मांगा किसी से पेन, वो बोला नहीं चाहिए.
वो पता है, एक बच्चा स्कूल बुक लेके घूम रहा था तो वो पेन मांगा तो.
थैंक यू बॉस.
गॉगल देऊ शकता का जेणेकरून आम्ही कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये जाऊ शकतो. आम्ही एका कॉम्पिटिशन
कसा पाहिजे.
पण आम्ही तुम्हाला पैसे नाही देऊ शकतो. जर जिंकलो तर आम्हाला सगळ्यात एक्सपेन्सिव्ह आहे, तरच आम्ही कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये जाऊ शकतो. प्लीज. हो ठीक आहे. जो महागाचा असेल तो द्या ना.
तुम्हाला कुठे वाटतं तेमध्ये भेटतील.
तुम्हाला माहिती महागातलं कोणतं असतं ते. तुम्ही महागातली प्राईस सांगा.
तुमच्यासाठी काय जेंट्स नाही काही अच्छा नाही.
कोणताही का महागातला असेल तो द्या.
वाटला पण पाहिजे, जास्ती नाही, फक्त 220 आहे. जास्ती नाही आहे माझ्याकडे, जास्ती नाही.
नो साइन.
दिस इज सो कूल. कैन आई वेयर इट?
इस पे आप खाली इस पे खाली कितने का है वो लिख दो. पेन है
दिस इज स्वैग.
रस्सी का पेन. हाँ पेन पेन. आई डोंट नो.
पेन.
यू हैव टू बोरो द पेन.
आप नाम
चला पेन नाही देऊ.
नाम लिखो ना साइन करो.
अरे एवढं
250. He said 250. I didn't tell
Rashi,
him.
you can't
मैंने
see.
कुछ
You can't see.
नहीं.
250. मेरा प्राइस वही है.
प्राइस फिक्स्ड है, जरा भी बार्गेनिंग नहीं होगा.
250. Okay.
But Rashi, this is our last warning. Okay?
What did I do?
मैंने कुछ
साइन कर दो ना यहाँ पे.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच.
डब्बा लिया है. देखना.
एक ही दे सकते आप टीवी पे आओगे सर
ये रे
एक ही कोई एक ही खाली साइन करके वो लटक दे रहा है खाली एक चीज
कोई भी चीज एटलीस्ट 100
ले इसका नंबर याद है उसको फोन कर देना किसको फोन करेगी
अरे पता नहीं मैं किसको फोन करूँ
तेरे पास नंबर तो रहेगा ना तेरे फोन में नंबर तो रहेगा ना किसका भी
स्विच ऑफ होने वाला है
मेरे फोन में नंबर नहीं
इतना आसानी से क्या यार कुछ तो है टेल समथिंग यार डू समथिंग यार हम लोग का लाइफ में जोक बन गया नहीं
खाने को नहीं मिलता यार ऑलरेडी नहीं चल रहा हमारा वही सब प्रॉब्लम है हमारा चल रहा है
समथिंग
हाउ कैन यू एंटरटेन
Sing, dance.
तू BTL लिखना
हाँ वो मैं लिख रही हूँ ऐसा बैग
क्या
बैग जो खरीदा
मंडी के बाद
पैसा
उसमें मिसाल में होता है
ये कितने की चप्पल है 200 की है अरे कहाँ जा रहे हैं
हम लोग हैं
कौन सी टीवी पे आना
क्या देखने
Today and all we give is local kids over here. So we were content 150, whatever you want rupees. Because you buy food in cheaper rate. You can even tell the shopkeeper, he'll give us 200 stuff in 100. If you give money, it's better. Can you please?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much. 100 rupees.
हम लोग इन लोग को देने वाला है इन लोग
हम लोग
अपना
उसके
बॉस
बॉस ये लोग बॉस है मतलब हम उनके
सांप को देगा सांप
देखो आप ऐसा कुछ दो मत जो आपको वापस चाहिए रहेगा।
हाँ जो पुराना हो वैसा दो
अरे कुछ भी बॉस कुछ भी पड़ा रहेगा कोने में ना वो थैली भी चलेगा हम लोग को सच्ची बोल रहे हैं
बड़ा लेंगे लेकिन कुछ है नहीं ना ऐसा है
अरे कुछ भी कर आप बंगाल वाले को भेजने वाला है ना वो भी चलेगा
Be careful with the monkeys, they snatch things up. I'm telling you. See, they snatch. I'm telling you, they snatch.
अंकल आपको लिख के देना पड़ेगा पेपर है
पेपर नहीं है
पेपर
Condom and all, right? Let's shoot it. Sorry.
How much time left
13 minutes left
how many
13
13
12 minutes 12 minutes left
वो देखो कैमरा पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है
करोगे बोलते हो
गाइस आराम से 12 minutes left जा लेके आओ उसे वापस 10 minutes to reach the villa 10 minutes या तू अभी आराम से चलो उन लोग को भागने का भागने
लिफ्ट मांगना है बॉडी
6 मिनट बाकी है
फोटो निकाल हम लोग की फोटो निकाल
मैं भी
सामने ऑलवेज कॉल यू विल बी लाइक ओसी ऐसे बोल रहा है मानो ओसी कि नहीं मानो
so yeah walkies for that
पूछा भी नहीं कि ऐसा कोई रूल है, तूने डायरेक्टली ले लिया एंड देन
अरे ओसी का नंबर दिया था,
नंबर दे दिया
उसको मालूम है रिटर्न होने वाला है।
यू नो द रूल।
Did he listen what you were telling?
हाँ, he was there, he was recording it,
बट
बाबा।
इसने पूछा भी नहीं उसको कि ये रूल
उसका काम है रिकॉर्ड करना, so he can't interact in your and बोला था
अग्री करता है कि नहीं तो हाँ उधर और तूने अग्री किया था।
मैं नंबर दे, मैं अग्री करता हूँ।
इसने अग्री किया था उधर की हाँ वापस आ जाएगा।
अरे हम लोग ने देखो क्या बोला, झूठ बोलो कि
उसने बोला वापस आ जाएगा, उसने अग्री किया उसके साथ। बात वो है, बस मेरी और कोई टॉपिक देखो नहीं करना नहीं।
Okay, fine. So, like, what we can do is, OC's mistake, we count the price, but we have to return the stuff.
I'll go and return. Of course, he'll return.
ये तो अनफेयर हो जाएगा इन लोग के लिए। सब टीम तो ऐसा करती थी। मैं ज्वेलरी के शॉप में कर सकता हूँ ये चीज। अंकल गिव मी 1 लाख का कुछ चीज।
Fine, cool. So the teams have already done that. So guys, coming on this part, we are really sorry for this. That thing won't be counted and Ammar, did you sell the stuff?
But someone came and told us there's a change in a rule.
Someone. Was the rule told by me?
So if
Was the event done by me? That rule was told to you clearly, and there were amendments in the rule.
But
what was
wait,
told to
who
everyone? Arshi Andheri with a total of 4,650 rupees. Now, what is the advantage do they get? Can I have Arshi Andheri standing in front of me? Elton. So, as I told you all, Elton, that it is very important for the teams who are out. So now, guys who are participating, who are playing the game, please welcome a new team joining here. That is and Urmi. That's Arshi and Mary. Congrats. Now, what happens of this stuff here? क्या हम लोग है ना यहाँ पर? अरे वही टेंशन लेने की बात है. Actually क्या है? OCs have been going through a lot of stress and Urmi and Elton, you all are allowed to keep your stuff with you all.
What will you do? Chappal?
Do whatever you want. You all can keep your stuff. And everything. Guys, no touching. Now, every other stuff, all the other participants' stuff is going in OC's room. OC, you all may have fun eating it.
टास्क 8 ईट की मुहूर्त।
Come on guys.
I'm sorry.
Stand. Yeah, stand here. In your position. So we have one down.
Tasneem, keep your hands straight.
It's straight, my top, it's the, look over here, it's tight from, we need to keep our back straight.
Yeah. Go a bit down, Bit down. Move. Rashi, थोड़ा सा.
Garrett, straight. Kenneth.
Yeah. You are out.
First one.
You are out.
Out.
Stand behind.
So we have Sate out.
Elton try.
We have
Garrett, you can do it.
we have Arshi Andheri out.
Garrett, you can do it. Hey, look. You can do it, Garrett, you can do it. Garrett, you can do it, please.
Rashi, out.
Then they can nominate them as well. So both the chances they use on one team. So one team gets out. If the king and queen doesn't want, they want them to be safe because they won fair and square. So they will keep them saved and the other two teams will nominate. Depends on what the king and queen wants to do. They can even cancel their immunity for sake and they might remove only one team. It depends on the king and queen.
Are they going to just nominate them or they just eliminate them?
What?
Are the king and queen going to eliminate two players or they're just going to nominate them and then the others vote?
No, they are going to just remove them from the game.
You will cancel the immunity and nominate them.
Oh. Okay. So now we have RC BL Amlani out of this event. We're really sorry. You all may come back and sit with the eliminated people. And you all may stand there. Now the majority increases. As I told you all, the day ends with the majority. Eliminated people have a majority.
Every time ladies first.
No,
Please,
not in
every
hell,
time.
in heaven it's ladies first, in hell the guys first.
Okay, fine. To be honest, I think you all should save both of us because she really wants to play.
What is it?
What about you? Me? I have to play because she wants to play.
Play for yourself.
Huh?
You don't want to play for yourself.
I want to play for myself. I'm too tired. And I'm very sleepy, so don't mind. But we were out from the start, so we just came and that doesn't make me go back out. We should stay in. No offense to them, but they were in for long enough time. I think we should get a chance again.
If you feel like saving us, save, otherwise choose them. I don't have anything to say.
You can't just say that if you want to save them, save.
Okay, fine. You all can say it together because
After sitting out for 1.5 days, looking at you all playing, and I really want to play. And we won by a big margin by all of our players, so we should get a chance again.
fair point. So now RC and they requested to go behind. RC Thate, Still the format remains the same. 3 minutes to Rucha, 3 minutes to Rucha, 3 minutes to Samyak. They begin with Samyak.
I guess they should like, you guys should like vote for me because I was in the game like from very beginning. Like I've done all the tasks and all.
What's his name?
If you're getting that on your nerves, Samyak, you can continue.
Be a little loud again.
Okay, so since the beginning we have been performing in every task and I believe we are strong competitors. That's my opinion. And even the first task we came second and in yesterday's task I did perform as much as I could. And whenever it came to performance I gave my best and we have been performing since the beginning and they haven't. That's why I think we deserve a better chance
They
than
did not
them.
get a chance to vote.
That's why they did not perform in the first task. That's why they did not get a chance.
Right now, we can first.
So that's why we have been performing since task and task.
So
Even
cool.
we performed in that.
So, you all got requested to go behind. This is one thing I would like to tell the house. Now this team has been playing really hard. Sweet to everyone. Have been performing for a second. So now, if you all want someone who's got out and suddenly meet you all in finale, as tomorrow, getting 2 days rest, or you want someone who's a strong contender, and challenge you all in tomorrow's finale.